What is up, everybody? So, hope you're having a fantastic day. I was at an event with 10 people. 2 hands. 10 people last week. And at the event, the host was kind of sad. They were upset because there were only 10 people and they were expecting 30. So here's the thing with events. A lot of times people think, oh, I need a huge event in order to be profitable. It can be true. They also think I need a huge event in order to be impactful. Can be true. But the truth is, the size of your event does not matter. You could have 2. You could have 1 person. 1 person sign up. 1 person show up. That 1 person, are they going to be upset? No! They get one-on-one access. They get to work on their thing, on their business. They are not upset if they show up and they're the only person. See, the size of your event does not matter. What we're looking for is the impact it can make. See, and any event can be impactful. People get so caught up in, I need a big event. I want to have 1,000 people. I want to have 5,000. Yeah, 5,000. That's what I want too. But guess what? It doesn't matter. You don't need 5,000 people to change the world. You just need 1. See, event size is overrated because as you get bigger, guess what? The events get way more complicated. You can pretty much pull off an event by yourself if it's under 30 people. Like, I would recommend having some external help, maybe an admin, some stuff like that. But for the most part, if you've got less than 30 people, you can do it all by your lonesome. Once you get to 50, you're going to need help for sure. Once you get to like 200, you need probably 3 or 4 employees, staff, people helping. Anything above that, you need hands. You need mouthpieces. You need someone to communicate what's going on, why it matters, what you're dealing with, what the holdup is. There are so many pieces of putting on an event. Bigger does not always mean better. So I just want to get on and encourage you to do an event and start small. You don't need 1,000 people. You don't need 100 people. You don't even need 50. You could do a great event that impacts lives with 20 people, with 10 people, and impacts your business with 20 people, with 10 people. See, you don't need a huge room to be wildly profitable and wildly impactful. So I just want to encourage you. The most important thing about having an event is actually having one. Like, I've talked to so many people who are like, I'm going to do an event. And then the next year I talk to them. This is the year I'm doing an event. And then the next year, oh, but this is the year, right? We've all had those conversations. So I want to encourage you. Don't start huge. Start small. Can I get 20 people? Just 20. Can I get them in a room and provide an immense amount of value, an amazing experience that makes them want to come back, makes them want to bring their friends, makes them want to go out and take action? That's what we want. That's why we do events, is to impact the world. And I'm telling you, as soon as you get started, then you can learn and grow. Most people put off starting until they can do a big event. And trust me, I feel the same way. I want to do a huge event. I want to put 1,000 people in a room. That's how I started my business. My mindset was, I'm going to put 1,000 people in a room this year. We've changed it. We've scaled back. Way back. So I am encouraging you. Don't set your sights so high that they became the barrier or become the barrier to you taking action. Okay? You can do this. You can put on an event that changes people's lives. You can put on an event that's profitable for you as a business. They don't have to be separate. They can be together. But you have to put on an event for either of those to happen. So you can do it. I want to invite you to join us at the Live Events Launchpad. We are going to go through our tactics and strategies that we use to execute live events. How we fill the room, how we get attendees there, how we structure the flow, how we structure our ads to get the attendees there, how we go through every piece of the pie so that you can go and implement. That is my goal. My goal is after the Live Events Launchpad that I get people messaging me and saying, wow, Justin, I didn't really believe that I could do this. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, right? That is my goal. I want to empower you. I want to give you everything you need so that you can go do a live event and change the world, because you have a mission. You have a calling and you know it. You know the skills and talents you have, other people need. You know the services you provide, other people need. I want to help you get in front of those people. That's why I'm doing the Live Events Launchpad. That's why I want to invite you to join us. So go to liveeventslaunchpad.com, get registered. It's a free event. We literally have 15 amazing speakers who are sharing how they go about filling the room, how they go about structuring the story, how they go about creating the offer, how they go about closing from stage. How would you like to close? Get this. How would you like to close a $20,000 product to 5 people at once? That sounds nice, right? Do a live event. Come to Live Events Launchpad. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to give you some great tactics and techniques that you can take and implement day of. That is my goal. My goal is that you take action, just so you know. So please join us for the Live Events Launchpad, and we'll talk to you guys real soon. Have a great day.